everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make these cute avocado charms using polymer clay. So let's get started. To make the colour of my avocado, I'm mixing together some Fimo vanilla clay with a small amount of Sculpey Granny Smith. For the outside skin of the avocado, I'm using this darker green colour and flattening it down into a sheet using my clay roller. I then took this clay and wrapped it around my ball of lighter green clay and then used my blade to cut off all the excess sections. You'll want to try and make it as smooth as possible without overlapping any sections to make sure that the skin is all the same thickness. To finish it off and make sure that it's all nicely blended, you can roll it between your palms. Next, create an egg-like shape by pinching one end, and then we're going to pop it in the freezer or fridge for a few minutes, and this just helps to make sure that when we cut it in half with our blade, the shape doesn't deform too much because the clay isn't too soft. If it does still deform slightly, you might want to fix it up with your fingers. Now take a ball tool and press it into the center of each avocado half for the seed. Use a small ball of brown clay for the seed and then you can add it to one of the halves. I'm then going ahead and making a face, so firstly using a dotting tool to make 2 indents for the eyes and then add in 2 small balls of brown or black clay inside. For the mouth, I shaped a small U shape and then attached it on gently. To create the green gradient on each half of the avocado, I used a green chalk pastel, or you could also use any other type of powdered pigment, and then just lightly dust it on using a brush, starting from the outside and then moving inwards. Finally, for the cheeks, I dusted on some pink chalk pastel powder, and then if you want to make it into a charm, go ahead and add an eye pin to the top of each one and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I'm using some super glue to help secure the eye pins, and then I'm also glazing them with my UV resin. And that's everything for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys! Here are some photos that you guys have posted online of charms made using one of my tutorials or just inspired by my charms in general. If you make your very own kawaii avocado charms using this tutorial, be sure to post a photo on Instagram or Crafty Amino with the hashtag RachieH96 so I can find it and feature it at the end of an upcoming tutorial.